Your AI assistant just got database superpowers. We're talking real tools running against a live database. Passwords already in an environment variable, Ask Forge picks it up automatically. One prompt. Set the connection, cast the schema. Claude's calling real SchemaSmith tools through the MCP server. No config files, no command line, just tell it what you want. There it is, full AdventureWorks schema. Tables, views, procedures, all cast out and sitting on disk. SchemaTongs did the heavy lifting. Claude just told it where to go. Ask Forge MCP server. Real tools, real databases, one conversation. Link in the description. Until then, may your Forge never lack for a steady hand at the bellows.